Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to prepare the slide of a leaf peel to observe the structure of stomatas. So let us start with very first things. You are supposed to take a thick and fleshy leaf from which the leaf peel can be easily extracted. Now let us see how simply we can obtain the peel very easily. We just have to bend the leaf like this. And then after bending the leaf, we just have to tear it off. With a little pressure with your nail, you are supposed to tear the leaf off like this obliquely. The leaf is to be torn obliquely so that you obtain the peel easily. Now in this leaf, if you see, I have obtained a transparent structure at the top of the leaf. If you are able to see, this is the epidermis of the leaf, and this is what we are going to observe under the microscope. Now I am going to take a small piece of this transparent area of the leaf. With the help of a forceps, I am going to tear it off like this. A small piece I have taken. This small piece I am going to dip it in a stain. Stain actually is a coloring solution that helps in highlighting the boundaries of the cells so that the cells are easily visible to us. Then secondly, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to keep the slide hydrated. Now among the stains, we have different stains for plants and animals. For plants, generally we use safranin and fast green as the stains. Alright, so I need to keep it for a few minutes into the stain so that the cells get a chance to absorb the stain. Fine. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I've already stained the slide and kept it in the under the microscope like this. So I have already prepared a slide like this, where the specimen has already been kept on the slide with a slide cover slip over it. So what I am just supposed to do is I am just supposed to observe it under the microscope like this. Alright, so now let us focus the specimen under the microscope.
Now this is the magical site that you see under the microscope. In this structure, if you closely observe, these black colored dots that you are able to visualize are stomatas. Now in this small piece of the peel, if you are able to observe such a large number of stomatas, you can imagine the complete leaf, how many stomatas might be present on the complete surface of the leaf. Then upper surface and lower surface, you just can't imagine the number of stomatas each leaf has for exchange of gases, plus it will be helpful in the process of transpiration. Now if we closely observe the structure of each of the stomata, it has two bean-shaped cells known to be guard cells kept against one another, and the gap between these two cells is known as stoma, which comes to be stomata. So I hope temporary mount preparation is clear to you all with this video.